So today I've decided to create a soft glam look using the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. And it's super easy, not that quick, but that could just be me and my not so quick working. I'm not sure. But yeah, if you want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So I've decided to use the Anastasia Soft Glam palette today because I want to create a soft glam look. I'm first going in with orange soda in the crease area, using a Morphe M506 brush. Starting on the outside of the eye, and I'm really trying to stay in focus today because I also filmed yesterday and my focus was off. So now that I have that orange soda shade the way I wanted to, I'm going to be grabbing the Anastasia A12 brush with nothing on it and just blending. And trying to keep it a little bit more rounded. Now going in with burnt orange. That one is a little bit darker, so on that same Morphe M506 brush, just going over top and keeping it a little bit lower this time. And blending that out again. So that really didn't make much of a difference. So I think I might be mixing sienna and rustic together. Very lightly. Trying to keep this a little bit lower into the crease. So I think I might even grab a bigger brush, the Morphe M521, to go over top of that orange, because I think it's still a little bit too orange for me. I think that's enough. Going back in with that original blending brush we had. Just very softly blending all of this together. And I think we might have an orange look either way, so we'll just go with that. Now I'm going to be cutting the crease slightly using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer and the Anastasia 18 brush. And I do not want this to be a super harsh cut crease, just trying to keep it light. So now that I have that somewhat how I want it to, I'm going to be setting it using Tempera. So with a bigger fluffy brush. I just want it to stand out a little bit more and be a little bit lighter. So then I have these really beautiful Lit Cosmetics golden glitters called Fully Nude size 3 that I can't show you because they'll fall out. But I want them to go on that lighter part. Really lightly, so I will be using a fluffy brush to apply, but first going to be applying some NYX glitter primer. So now that the glue is on, I can't look up, but going in the glitters with that fluffy brush, and I really hope it doesn't overload it. So that is just the right amount of sparkle I want. Now I'm going to be finishing off the base off camera because you've seen that in my last video, and that will be quicker, and that will finish the eyes. Okay, so while these lashes are still drying, I'm going to be finishing off the lower lash line. I'm going to be grabbing that burnt orange shade and orange soda mixed. I'm placing that on the lower lash line. So now that that is on, all that's left is highlighter and lips. And for highlighter, of course, I had to use the Anastasia and Amrezy highlight. Okay, so for lips, I'm first going in with the NYX Lip Pencil in the shade Nude. And I'm only lining the outside. And to finish off the lips, I'll be using my favorite Anastasia gloss in Butterscotch. So now that the lip gloss is on, this look is complete. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.